So, welcome back. In the previous module, we looked at 4 integrated elements of project management as recommended in PRINCE2. In this module, we are going to look at the key terms like project, project management, program, program management, portfolio, portfolio management, project in different contexts, 6 aspects of project management and characteristics of a project. Okay, what is a project? Project is a temporary organization that is created for the purpose of delivering one or more business products according to agreed business case. The products which is an output of a project may be a product which is physically visible, which one can touch and feel, may be a service or may be a results. Service may be any services like IT services or transportation services or in restaurant services, etc. When it comes to results, which is not a service or which is not a product, which refers to the improvement programs as an example which you initiate as part of your operations. Program is a temporary structured organization created to coordinate, direct and oversee the implementation of set of related projects, activities in order to deliver outcomes and benefits related to the organization's strategic objectives. Portfolio is the totality of the investment organizations invest on to make the changes necessarily required for the organization to achieve their strategic objectives. Portfolio comprises of projects, programs and other works which are required to achieve the strategic objective of the organization and justify the investments required to achieve the objectives of organizations. Organization initiates the projects in various different contexts. The context may be, the project may be a standalone, project may be a part of a portfolio, project may be part of a program. Primary interest of any project which is initiated by organization is to achieve the objectives of business, users, creating benefits for users and ensuring suppliers deliver those products required to deliver this project. Further, projects can be in the commercial environment where an external organization is going to do a project for customer organization. What makes the project different? Project is not a business as usual. It is unique, introduces changes to the organization's environment, a temporary organization created to produce those unique products, utilizing the cross-functional capabilities, and every project has its own uncertainties. There are 6 aspects related to the project. Those are scope, time, cost, quality, risk and benefits. What makes a project a PRINCE2 project? In an organization who are following the project management methodology based on PRINCE2, those organizations apply PRINCE2 principles, meet the minimum requirement required to comply with PRINCE2 themes, satisfy the purpose and objectives of all the processes defined in PRINCE2, and either uses PRINCE2 recommended techniques or specific techniques which creates the benefits required for users and produces the products of the projects. To summarize, as part of this module, we went through project, program, portfolio, 6 aspects of project management, characteristics of a project, what makes a project a PRINCE2 project and projects in different contexts. In the next module, we are going to look at PRINCE2 principles, continued business justification. Hope to see you in the next module.